What's up, YouTube addicts? How y'all doing? Woo! And welcome back to Watch Dogs. Straight after the other video, straight after the other mission, and I have to stop straight because there's a phone call. Let's answer this phone call. And I want to make. Okay. Let's see if we can get new clothes for Aiden. Then after we do that mission, and let's open this fridge. New clothes. Woo! It's open for me. Let's see if we can find a clothes shop. Get new clothes. Found here. Let's get new clothes for Aiden. And see that guy. He was like, shit. He was like freaked out. In front of that guy. The big boss. Big in there. Oh, oh, fuck. Oh, come on. Oh, no, I'll just get on that back. Oh, it's so realistic. Oh my god, you have to go straight in front of me. Whoa. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, do you see that? Guys, have you seen how she like... Oh my god. We don't even know what that concept is. Okay. Let's get in close for it. Let's see something else. The hell? Okay. Roadwork. God, look at these clothes. Huh? Pro hacker guys. Oh god. Okay, now let's. I think I decided what clothes I'm gonna get, guys. I'm gonna get this one up here. Wait, this one up here. Blind side. I really like this style. I'm back anytime. Look at that coat. Okay, guys. Here. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh god, that should be a bike model. This should be a thumbnail. Oh fuck! That's close. What? What are you doing? Oh, thank God, this is not dead. Get the bridge ready. Because right now, it is Geronimo! Never wanted to do that. What's the... Woo! And that's another clap for the bike model. Alright, well, looks like we're gonna meet Bad Boy 54,000. Bad Boy 17. Fuck, I just gave my password. Oh, God. Open the other word. stop mission. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Mama. Okay, we're gonna be bad boy, 17, bad boy, 54. What the fuck, man? More like bad girl, 18. Hey, that wasn't so much of a mission. That was just me, bad girl, 25. Oh, bad girl, 25. No, 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 come on. Are you serious? No, man, for fuck's sake. Stupid mistake. Please don't tell me it happened. Okay. Okay. I thought that problem happened again. Okay. Extra battery. There was this problem every time when I played Watch Dogs. Um, I lost control of the remote, guys. It was just to open. I had to open it to the screen. Shit. Oh my god. The hell was that? Okay. Think we have another mission? Oh, it's already a mission. Oh, I thought it was just the introduction to Bad Boy. Okay. Woo! Okay. No, no. Let me do something with style. Unless you can't swim. Like John Marston. Red Dead Redemption. That's a good game. I haven't finished. Oh shit! I haven't finished playing it, but when I finish, I'm gonna go for the time, and then I'm gonna play it, guys. On video, maybe, maybe. Same today that all you say. Violence when we support baby. World turns refreshing values on which we used to rely. Are you fucking serious? Fuck up, Ah, this mission. Okay. I'm not gonna do this stuff today. Today's gonna be. I just lost the patience. Fuck. Get this a shootout. Attack that fool! Oh my god! They make this explode. Careful. Stay. What the? Oh, that was close. You hit the guy all freaked out. Shoot. Hi, sir. How you doing? I heard you chop. Oh, for the pornography. What the hell? I was meant to do that, not you. Oh, thank God. That was close. Oh, yes. It's a good gun. Warning. Won't play this game. You have to be under 18. Deal. Done. No! What else the thing to have? Oh, God, I'm getting hungry. What? I'll have to find the CTOS box. There you go. Now the door's open. On this piece. Fuck! No! Okay. I died before you let me. Unfortunately, some people die. Haters are gonna hate, 'cause they know I'm doing for singing like a retard, like a retard. Alright, okay. Oh, wait, guys, I need to. Alright, guys, so I just have to pick something up quick and. Okay. Well, guys, unfortunately, this video is gonna be one mission only. Oh, crap. Fucking retards! Like a alright, I'll stop. Your mom. Oh god. No! Don't call reinforcements. I'm sorry. I was kidding. It's, the government told me to do this. Right, I'm just calling his mummy. Oh, headshot. Nice. Oh, fuck. Run. Where is he? Oh, he's up there. Whoa, he's coming. Hey, shit. Run. Oh, what? It's up there. I still have to fucking hack something. Right. Just fucking right. Fucking retards. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh no, he's calling reinforcements. Are you serious? Okay. Okay, woo! That was close. Okay, let's go up here so we can hack something. This is Watch Dogs, so all we do is hack. Like a retard. No. Put your weapon back in. There you go. Oh god. Oh, what the? Okay. Let's hack. Here, here, and then. Oh god, this is getting hard. Okay. This one needs to connect. That one. It doesn't connect. Oh, thank god this doesn't have a timer on. There you go. Huh? Uh, okay. Oh god, this is really confusing right now. Why doesn't this connect with the other one? Mortally, you are annoying. Really, I'm getting annoyed right now. Sorry guys, but I'm getting. Oh, thank you. this is actually cool.
I'm telling you, it's not just an egg. It blocks my entire view. Just one enormous fucking eyeball. Oh shit. Someone's hacked in. Oh fuck me. Lock down the building. Find him now. You track the caller?
Searching now. Come. The police are coming. They've got high-tech scans that are hard to shake. You need to get out of there.
The cops are scanning me. I can't get clear fast enough. Is DedSec know a way to jam their scans?
Wait. I think we do. Here it is. I'm sending it to you.
Okay, let's get the fuck out of here before someone spots me. Oh my god. Actually, this video is long enough. Guys. Escape the police. Fuck the police. Fuck the police. Oh shit. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. And niggas selling shooting motherfuckers. What do you think of my driving here? Skills, mad skills, man. Woo! Hey guys. Open the skills tree. What has to be this? Yeah. Hey, looks like we're on this mission now. So that's it for this video, guys.
Find the caller. Tired of this cat and mouse.
I got your map. It's come with me from an apartment in the mountains.
Finally.
Just be careful, Aiden. You really bound to see that around? I think he wants you to find him.
Well, I certainly don't want to disappoint him.
So that's it for this guy. This guy. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, get a finger, stick and like that like button, and please subscribe.